The installation manual of anti-static floor. Once in the construction site, make sure there are no other things on the floor, like rubbish or dust. If the grounds are uneven, try to fill up and make even. The construction materials such as conductive floor, support, beam, or machine tools of construction will be classified on the site and maintained clean. Firstly, make a measurement for the length and width of the room. Try to pop up the control line on the ground according to the size of floor and arrange the placement location for floor. Make sure there are the control line of panel and the elevation control line of beam. Set up the support start point and install the support base. Put the support base and beam on the floor according to the reference line and adjust the screw to make sure the beam on the same level with the elevation control line. After installed all the support and the beam, use the gradienter to measure again and make sure it is level. Surface evenness plus or minus 2 millimeters. Straightness for the seam plus or minus 2.5 millimeters. Gap width of the plate is 0.3 millimeters with steel rule. Lay the floor along the baseline and check the flatness of the floorboard again with the gradienter. Make sure to adjust it if it is out of level, or it will affect the laying of the following floors. You can replace the floor with the airflow floor where the airflow floors are needed. After finished all the installation, clean the floor and cover them to avoid any damage.